Hello guys, this is Jake again. Today I'm going to show you something that has been just released today. It is made by Qihongku. You might know it as QWK. They have a MK3 Mark III, the Challenger now, and this is their new model. It is smaller. It is works similar to the MK3, but there are some new and interesting features. Most of the information has not been confirmed yet, so I'll just show you some pictures and the videos, and you can see for yourselves. After I get more information, I'll share the details with you guys. So enjoy. The Qihongku Edge.
打着了吗？
打着了，都顶着那玻璃了。啊，打着了，这不都打着了吗？全中。啊，全中。没了，没子弹。
好了，开始了吗？
瞄准。